welcome back to my channel.
I just wanna live in a fantasy.
So I have class today again. Today is Thursday and it is 4:48 p.m. I have class at 5:45. So I don't even know why I'm so comfortable. I still have my little sweats on. I have to be getting ready already. But I'm just saving a video now. I just edited. I still want to do an intro though. The intro for the video as in what I did in the video, if that makes sense. And then I'm just watching YouTube at the same time. But I don't know what this video consists of. I just picked up my camera and started vlogging, to be honest. But I don't know if y'all like these type of videos. Come to school with me and stuff like that. So I don't know. I'll probably just do a college day in my life or college diaries or I don't know. But so let me see. I'm gonna look for a little intro to do. I wanted to do a behind the scenes of a content creator. But honestly, I've been lazy. So it was so many moments where I could have picked up my camera and it would have been a good clip for that, you feel me? But my daughter's sleeping right now. I should be getting ready, but I'm gonna put my show on real quick. I have two favorite shows right now, and they've been my favorite shows, but I say right now because I might watch something else down the line. But Pretty Little Liars and Law and Order, SVU. If I'm not watching one, I'm watching the other, basically. So I was watching Breaking Bad, and then I started over, but then I never got to finish. I watched You. I'm actually still on season 4. I have to watch the last, what else? 13 Reasons Why is a good one. I finished watching that already. If y'all have any recommendations to good shows, drop them down below because I needs. If I'm not doing my work or taking care of my daughter at the moment and she's sleeping, for example, like this, I need shows to watch. Come on. But I'm gonna finish editing and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Yeah, I might not use that song though. Okay, so I'm not even supposed to be laying like this for real, because my incision still hurts. I be tweaking. I be bugging. It's already about to be 5. I need to hurry up, because once my mother come in through that door, I gotta be out. And I gotta do my hair. I don't know what to do with my hair. Alright, hurry up. Like, come on. Matter of fact, while that's loading, I'm gonna get dressed. And for those of y'all wondering, I know y'all probably be looking at my videos. What, is she in a big playpen? No, babe. This right here is a thingy for my daughter because she fell off the bed one time. She didn't get hurt though, thank God. But she fell off the bed one time, even with this on. But that's what this is, to prevent the kids from falling, even though clearly she still fell. But that's because, hold on, sorry. That's because as she was growing, she was able to reach, and then she started playing with a pair of pants that was on. It was a pair of pants like this. And she was trying to grab it, but she was picking her body up, tippy-toeing. And then that's how she fell. But thank God she didn't get hurt. She cried a little bit, but then she stopped and she was fine. She didn't have no cuts, bruises, nothing. So let me just put that in there. But so I ended up making it higher now. So that's that. So right here, I just take this up and it snaps right here. It makes noise, so sometimes she gets up. But and then that way. So I keep it on there when we're sleeping because sometimes when I'm real tired, I be slumped and she moves around a lot and I don't want her falling again. So that's why I have that. And that's why I be looking like I'm in a big ass playpen. And this is her other playpen, the one she uses to walk in and play and stuff like that. But let me hurry up and get dressed because it's taking too long. I need some bright light up in here. So I'm gonna sit y'all right here. This camera better not fall, because if it fall, there's gonna be a problem. But I'm gonna throw on these fuzzy socks. And the sweats I have on now, I'm gonna switch them out. These are actually my mother's sweats. They mad big, but I like dressing like baggy. I don't know, but I put them on because I had showered and then I just threw it on. I didn't have nothing else to wear really. I have mad clothes, but they in bags. They're clean, but they're in bags, and I don't got time to be digging. There's one thing about girls, we like to look for clothes and we leave it out on the floor like that. We just leave it, and that's why I be looking messy. But I'm wearing my tighter gray sweats. I shouldn't really be wearing these because of my incision, but I'm healing. So, but what was I about to say? I be feeling sometimes I'm wearing the same stuff to school, and it's because when I'm home, I'm obviously wearing different stuff, but people don't know that. But I really do it because one, I have clothes. I just don't feel like dressing fancy and all that. and beating my face to go to school. What? I'm only in school for 2 hours or an hour and a half, so it's really no point. And I don't do my makeup every day anyways. But I be feeling like sometimes I be wearing the same thing, and people probably be looking at me like, she definitely wearing the same stuff. But do y'all know me outside of school? No. So I don't come here to impress nobody. I come, as long as my clothes is clean, I come dressed, and it is what it is. I'm not here to impress y'all. What? People really be coming to school with their wigs on. I wear wigs too to school, but they be having their face beat, dressing all cute, their hair. Everybody has a preference, but I'm gonna go regular. I'm not trying to impress nobody, so I go there for my education, and that's pretty much it. But sometimes I wear a cute shirt, sometimes I won't. I'll be having my hoodie on most of the time. Right now, I'm about to throw on a hoodie. I don't know what hoodie, but I'm gonna find one because I have 1,000. And I have to do my hair. See, this hoodie right here matches my sweats. This is the one that goes to it. I might wear this over my shirt, but spend a college day with me. I don't know if I should start doing series on my channel. I was thinking about doing series on my channel, but I don't know, because I'm still trying to figure out my viewers. Y'all confuse the shit out of me. I first built my channel off of piercings, but again, there's only so many piercings I can get. Then what else? I started doing vlogs. No, I started doing reaction videos. I was getting views on those, but I was always getting copyright, and that shit pisses me off. Because YouTube, I feel like they pick and choose who y'all want to copyright all the time, and come on. And then what else? Then I started doing vlogs, but I don't really do much no more like I used to. So it's kind of different with the vlogs. If I get a chance to vlog outside, I could do it, but I don't know. I'm really a homebody. I don't really do much. My life ain't really too interesting, so it's like, what am I supposed to vlog? So then I'm like, maybe I should do a college series. I want to start doing college videos. And then it's like, those don't really get too many views either. So it's like, what the do y'all want? For real. Y'all be pissing me off. What do you want for my life? I think it's going to be a little cold today. But y'all need to let me know, because y'all playing. But this is how I'm looking right now. Like a boy. This is how I like to look. This is how I love to look. Do you feel me? And then look at this mess. I'm telling you, there's always something. This bag right here is my daughter's toys, because she has way too many, and when she's in the playpen, it doesn't let her walk around, and I don't want to stop her from walking, so I put some toys in there. And then some of my clothes, mind you, these are clean clothes, I put them in a bag, like a clean laundry bag. So I just have them sitting in there, and that's pretty much it. But I think I'm gonna wear my Uggs from TikTok shop. I don't know what you call them, but I think I'm gonna wear those. And what else? But I'm gonna see, my camera's getting hot, so I have to hurry up. But I'm gonna do my hair real quick, and I'll be back. I'm not in the mood. I have to tie my hair into a bun. Honestly, I'm probably gonna be late. I already see it. And then my hair, I don't know, man. It's stiff. I don't like that. Hello? This thing be tweaking. Alright, so now I have to switch out my books, because I take certain books at a time. And then, if I don't, my whole book bag is gonna be dumb heavy. And honestly, I'm not taking this either. Should I? Where's my yellow book? I think I'm gonna just bring my stupid. Damn. I do not like flat ironing my hair when it has product on it, because then it starts on. That's what happens when you rush. I'm gonna get back to you. You just got up? Now I'm gonna be late. How beautiful. What you say? No, I said now I'm gonna be late. Who's calling me now?
Maybe you should drive your car. Pick up on none of your call. In the parking lot in Tucson.
Alright, y'all, I just made it to school. I gotta take my ID out because my security that worked in this school at this time, he be acting like he don't want to open the door for people, and that shit pisses me off. So now I have to dig for my ID so I can swipe it to go in. Real beautiful. And I'm already almost late. So that's that. I have to go into the student's office now. I mean the school office, because I have to fill out some paperwork that I didn't fill out yesterday, because yesterday they left home early. So I'm just irritated right now, especially me being late. I'm never late, so I'm getting real annoyed. I'm not even about to rush right now because I have 1 minute. So I don't know if I have to go into that office first or, let me take this off. I don't know if I have to go into that office first or after. They're not in the office, so I'm gonna have to just wait until he emails me because I'm already late, bro. Tell y'all, baby, it's 6:30. So remember how I told y'all I started at 5:45. With this class, he usually lets us leave early anyways, most of the time, because we be finished like with our stuff early. But I literally stuff for 30 minutes probably, not even that long. And he gave us an assignment, a worksheet to do, and we finished it, and whoever finished it could leave. So it's lit. I'm going home. I needed that because what? I want to go home. Y'all, can't wait to get my freaking tripod already for my camera. I think it's the silicone one that keeps it stuck to the dashboard. Right now I'm risking having it up there, but I'm about to go home and I'm gonna see how when I get home and see what else I plan on adding in this video.
Get it from her mama. Mama say you fuck her right. Body rude is polite. Tell me in the humble type. Tell me is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Balls and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Rock all the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies,
You want some? Every time she see my cup, she want to grab.
She really likes your cup.
Then you are. Anywho, it's late. I'm about to go to sleep. It's like 10:50. And I gotta put her to sleep, Nevaeh. My stomach.
I love you too, Nevaeh. Now go.
Anyway, y'all see me making the pasta or whatever, and then I put some rice to get soft a little bit with some cinnamon because I'm about to make horchata tomorrow. Bless you. I'm gonna make it tomorrow because today I have to wait 4 hours for it to soak, and it's gonna be like 1 in the morning by the time. So yeah, I'm about to put her to sleep, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna start editing. Yeah. I'm not gonna front though. I don't think I'm gonna make the horchata on camera. I'm too tired, and I'm doing work right now. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just end this video right here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.
they say she get it from her mama. Mama say you fuck her right.